Hello friends, I am Ujjwal. Today I will tell you about Amaze Fit GTS smartwatch. Let's begin. Xiaomi brand has launched its latest smartwatch Amaze Fit GTS in the market. It looks exactly like the Apple Watch Series 5. It has a 1.65-inch full touch screen AMOLED display, which is protected from Gorilla Glass 3. The company claims that the GTS watch has a 220 mAh battery, which once charged will last for 14 days. It has several advanced sensors such as bio-tracking, PPG bio-tracking, option sensor, 6-axis accelerometer, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor and ambient light sensor. It has all the features like other fitness band. The GTS tracks 12 different sports modes such as outdoor running, treadmill, walking, outdoor-indoor cycling, elliptical trainer, pool, water, swimming, mountain training, and exercise. It is equipped with GPS and global navigation satellite system and dual positioning function, Bluetooth 5.0 and 24-hour rate monitoring feature. Besides being 5 ATM water resistant, it costs rupees 9,999. Currently, it is available only in black color. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.